coffee. Founded in 2021. Turkey, clean tech.
Do you hear that? That is the sound of thousands of wind turbines around the world not working, not making that whoosh sound, not generating clean energy, simply because data wasn't used the right way. Renewable energy, our best weapon in the fight against climate change, is facing some serious challenges. Assets are getting older, hence they're breaking down more frequently. Climate change, ironically, is causing higher unpredictability and risks. And assets are being located in more remote locations, making them more difficult and costly to operate. All in all, making renewables less attractive. At Kavaken, we're changing that. We're a SaaS platform that takes data from the wind turbines and the solar panels, runs them through our machine learning algorithms to generate actions that deliver value. $95 billion worth of value. How do we do that? With a great team, of course. Meet the turbine whisperers. My co-founder Murat and I have a combined experience of 40 years in energy and wind, ranging from project development to operations to consulting. So we know what's out there, what the problems are, and how to solve them. Our technical co-founder John has been developing and scaling products and teams for more than 15 years. And our data scientists, they don't have just PhDs from great schools. On top of that, they have real-world experience with a specialty focus on asset performance management. So with all that, we go way beyond the typical dashboarding and data show-offing. We actually tell our clients the future and what they can do to make it better. Started out in Turkey, the 5th largest wind energy market in Europe, and penetrated 20% of the market in little over a year. Now moved our headquarters to the UK to expand in Europe and the region, to be followed by North America and Asia Pacific, to reach a recurring revenue of $34 million by 2026. But the market is so much bigger than that. We've been working a lot with energy companies and asset management, and are now looking to partner with insurance companies, M&A advisories, and portfolio managers to get a bigger chunk of the $10 billion opportunity. Do you hear that? Well, that is the sound of thousands of solar panels across the world working quietly, generating clean power, because they will all be managed by Kavaken. Thank you.